Hey guys, it's me Kristen, and today I'm going to be showing you, well, I'm not going to be really showing you, but I'm going to be giving you a tour of my new house, and yes, I did copy somebody, and yes, it is a lot more changed than last time, because last time, the house was super duper crowded, and I did not like it. So this house is a house for me, so yeah, we walk in, this is what it looks like. Just lights up there. Nothing much. There's like no paintings in here, by the way. My office. I'm gonna just, I'm just gonna continue doing what I'm doing with my little chill area. I'm gonna go over to my kitchen. Yeah. Little kitchen table, I guess was it. My pantry. This took forever to do, so yeah, by the way, had it let you guys know. My dining room, living room, downstairs main bathroom, well, slash the only bathroom downstairs. My other chill area, my laundry room, and my garage. There's like no lights in here, so yeah. Now, let's head upstairs. Sorry guys about that. Anyway, this is the, I guess you could say, master bedroom in parentheses. But yeah, the bathroom is right here. Yep. Over here. Hold on, guys. Okay, so this is the second room. There is I'm not going to give you a sneak peek of my outside yet, but there's that. There's a little guitar. My bathroom in here. Yep. Now we're just going to go on to the next room. This is the boys' room. Little, I guess you could say, like, bathroom. Well, not bathroom. Not storage room. I don't know how to say it. Like the closet, yeah. The upstairs main bathroom. And then this is a little girl's room. So, yeah. That is that. And, yeah. I know this was a short video, but, yeah. Anyway. That's all for this tour. Oh, no. I forgot one thing, which is my backyard. Customized. No, it's not from the girl. Customized. Here it is. There we go. The pool there, and then like a fireplace. So yeah. Anyway, guys, hopefully you like this video. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, because the question of the day is, do you have a YouTube house in Bloxburg? Yeah, bye guys.